Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is rewrite 9 over 4 as 3 squared over 2 squared. So now I have 3 squared over 2 squared to the power of 9 over 4. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is the same thing as a over b to the power of m. So 3 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of 2 is going to equal 3 over 2 to the power of 2. And now I have this over 9 over 4. Or sorry, to the power of 9 over 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 over 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 9 over 4. This is the same thing as 3 over 2 to the power of 2 times 9 over 4. And this is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 18 over 4. And 18 over 4 simplifies to 9 over 2. So I have 3 over 2 to the power of 9 over 2. However, now I'm going to rewrite 9 over 2. So 9 over 2 is the same thing as 4 plus 5 over 2. And 4 plus 5 over 2 is equal to 4 over 2 plus 5 over 2. And 4 over 2 is simply equal to 2. So I get 2 plus 5 over 2. So now I'm going to substitute in 2 plus 5 over 2 in place of 9 over 2. So I get 3 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 5 over 2. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So 3 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 5 over 2 is going to equal 3 over 2 to the power of 2 times 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2. And now 5 over 2 is the same thing as the square root of 3 over 2 to the power of 5. And 3 over 2 squared is the same thing as 3 squared over 2 squared. So now from here, 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, so I get 9 over 4 times the square root of 3 over 2 to the power of 5. And now what I'm going to do is rewrite the square root of 3 over 2 to the power of 5 as 9 over 4 times the square root of 3 to the power of 5 over the square root of 2 to the power of 5. And this is allowed. I just divided these into the numerator and the denominator. Now from here, the square root of 3 to the power of 5, I can rewrite that as the square root of 3 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 1. And the square root of 2 to the power of 5, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rewrite that as the square root of 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 1. And now we can divide this into the square root of 3 to the power of 4 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 2 to the power of 4 times the square root of 2. Now the square root of 3 to the power of 4, that's equal to 3 to the power of 2. So I get 3 to the power of 2 times the square root of 3 over this same thing with square root of 2 to the power of 4. That's equal to 2 squared times the square root of 2. Now 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9, so I get 9 over 4 times 9 root 3 over 2 squared, that's equal to 4, so I get 4 root 2. Now 9 times 9 is 81, so I get 81 times the square root of 3 over 4 times 4 is 16, so 16 to the square root of 2. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. So now this is equal to 81 to the times the square root of 6 over 16 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is simply equal to 2. So I get 16 times 2, which is equal to 81 times the square root of 6 over 32. So this is my answer in its most simplified form.
Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 32 to the power of x equals 128, and we want to find the value of x. So our main objective for this equation is to change it into the form a to the power of x equals a to the power of y. So as you can see, the bases here are the same, and because the bases here are the same, that means that the exponents here are the same as well, because that must be true in order for the equation to be true. So what we need to do is we need to change 32 and 128, our bases, so that they're the same. Well, a common base for these two would be 2, right? Because 32 is 2 to the power of 5. And 128 is 2 to the power of 7. And 2 to the power of 5 would be to the power of x, because we're replacing 2 to the power of pi with 32. And this is equal to 2 to the power of 7. Now, when we have something like this, we want to multiply this. If we have this, we multiply the exponent, because 2 to the power of 5 to the power of x, so that's the same thing as 2 to the power of 5 times x. And 5 times x is 2 to the power of 5x. And this equals 2 to the power of 7 still. And now, as you can see, our bases are the same, so that means our exponents are the same as well. So this means that 5x equals 7. Now, if we divide by 5 on both sides, these two cancel out, and we get x equals 7 over 5. And this is our answer.